Hello, in this video, I'll show you how we can make thumbs in the Excel. You can see a small sheet in front of you. It has sales price and cost price. If our sale price is higher than the cost price, then we are in profit, and the profit is calculated here. And as a result, this thumb up is shown here. Let's change the values. We will show the loss. Let's say our sale price is less than cost price. You can see loss is printed here and thumbs down is sign is printed here. I'll show you how we can do it. Same sheet is here. I will make in front of you. You can see sale price is already there, cost is there, and its difference is already measured here. So that is standard thing. Here I will print loss if sale price is less than cost, and will print profit if sales price is higher than cost. So use click here and press equal to sign if function. If if sales price is greater than cost price, then print profit, comma, else loss. Okay, you can see now sales price is high, so profit is printed here. Let's change the values. I'll make the sales price less than cost price, let's say 300, and you can see that we have a loss of 500, and loss is printed here. Now we will print here thumbs up or thumbs down, equal to sign, again if condition. If this cell has the equal value equal to profit, comma, then print C. Otherwise, if it is loss, print D. So when it will be profit, C will be printed, otherwise D will be printed. You can see now loss is there, D is printed. Let's change it, 900. Now C is printed. Select this cell, go to home and change the font. Select the font, type here wing wingdings. You can see wingdings. Select wingdings, press enter. You can see thumbs up is C is changed to thumbs up, and if we will show loss, thumbs down is printed. Now we can format this thumb sign. Select the cell, go to conditional formatting, new rule. New rule, the last line, select the last condition. Use a formula to determine which cell to format. Click here, select the cell, it is selected. Or no, sorry, we will not select this. We will select if the sale price is greater than cost price. Again, we have to remove these dollar signs in the middle. Press 2 times F4 or manually remove the dollar. Here L$10 is there, so just keep the first dollar sign, $L10. Format, click the format. In the font, we will select bold, and the color we will select. If it is greater than, then we will print our thumbs up will be there and its color will be green. Okay, press OK. Now check, print the profit. You can see thumbs up in green color. Now we will apply a rule for the thumbs down. We'll make it red. Again, sorry, I'll show you again. Conditional formatting, new rule, The last option, use a formula to determine which cell to format. Click here. If sale price is less than cost price, again remove dollar sign from here, $1, press 2 times F4 key, 2 times F4, otherwise manually remove it. $L10 format. So it is for loss actually, bold. So loss we will show in red color. Print OK. Okay, press OK. Now we will show loss here. You can see thumbs down with red color. You can change the size of the thumb. You can make it bigger and center align. Okay, now it's ready. You can change the size and color. We will show the profit. Profit, thumbs up. Loss, thumbs down in red color.